Okay, last time we were looking at this. Okay, this was the new entry form for my database. I've already created a form, though, to make it easier for my students, my users, to import their information. Let's close that so as not to confuse the matter. We'll go to the form. Here's the form. It's a test, or rather the test creator. We open that. And we should be able to go to the live form. Go to live form. And we'll do another one. We'll call this John Smith. And we're going to create a question connected to the text we've read. Now, again, there's so many questions already online. Why recreate them? So let's skip for now and we'll go to the next one. Okay. All right. This is an example of a literary technique. I like that. I don't know what it is. Didn't really even look at it. But that's not important at this point. What's important is the question. Animals work just as hard as even harder and around Napoleon's rule on Animal Farm than they ever did for Mr. Johns. Even though this is an example of what literary technique? Even though they were prominent, this is an example of what literary technique? Well, right here, recognize and understand. I don't know the answer to this, frankly. Let's go take a look. Well, I don't care. I just want to know which one it is. It's to recognize and understand the significance of various literary devices. Or is it literary devices? No. Style, figurative language on tune, mood, theme, using literary criticism. Literature's related to themes and issues of historical period. I'm going to say this right here. Evaluate the aesthetic qualities of style. Because that's a literary technique, literary style. Yeah, we could probably go either way with that one, but we'll go with this. Submit. And now it's already done, so let's go take a look at my form. And look at that, it's already loaded. Now I'm going to export this. File, export, CSV. And now I don't like that it does that. So I'm going to file save as, save page as, let's see, file. It's going to let me do it? No, it's not. Why is it not going to let me do it? Oh, because I have to select it. Save page as, and we'll call this new dot CSV. Now Moodle is very particular about that, so I have to be specific about it, and it's probably still not going to work. Click save. Now let's go to the desktop, and there. Oh, look at that! It worked for me. New CSV. We can open that. Choose application. Oh wow, really gets kind of tiresome that it just won't do that automatically. Yes, open. Okay, and there's the text. Very good. Now we can import this to Moodle, which is where we are now. And we close that. And let's go to Moodle, which is right here. And we're going to add a new entry. Add, upload entries from a file. And ooh, look at that, did it again. Oh, right there, browse, new, open, file delimiter, blah, 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 upload file. Unable to read LoRa data. Why? CSV failed. Well, unable to read the raw data from the CSV file. Why? Maybe because I've got all of the timestamp and the initial header stuff. So let's get rid of the headers. I really, really don't like the Mac interface. And that should be it. Save that. Now let's try again. Go back. Move that. And browse. Browse. New CSV. Yeah. Okay. Open. Upload file. File and not known. Why? Got all my fields. Got all my fields. It worked for the other one. Upload entries from a file. All right. Didn't work. Don't know why. But the idea is there. The idea, just to recap, is I take, what is this? Ah, right. This is the report from my form. I take the form itself, this form, which anybody could use. I could go to live form and I could put this form anywhere I want. I can put this form anywhere I want and have people fill it out for me. And here's the live form, so I can put that on a new web page. Somebody fills it out. I take that data like this, and then I pop it into my database for Moodle, which can then be generated, which I can then export. Let's see what happens. Export database records. Open. All right, here's the database itself. What's different? Oh, I deleted that. Let's file, revert to saved. No, I saved it, so it's lost. So I should be able to, this should work though. Oh, you know what? Date stamp is not correct. Look at that. It needs to be in the same order. Or does it? It should have worked. Should have just taken this. I have to figure it out. Anyway, the idea again is to take the form data, and put it into the Moodle database and or put it into the Moodle question database, which I'll show you in another video. Thanks for watching, and if you've got a fix for my problem, I'm all ears. Happy computing, people.